Hello TSAT viewers. Today we are discussing about computer science allied branch details. So as you are aware about computer science engineering, so market is almost all 80% of the students are occupied by engineering students is only CSE branch. So CSE students are penetrating like anything. So they are mostly admitting in CSE branch because of their widespread of this CSE branch. సో సిఎస్సి బ్రాంచ్ ఏమైందంటే కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ బ్రాంచ్ ఏఐసిటి కొత్త రూల్స్ ప్రకారం అంటే విజన్ 2020 మార్కెట్ డిమాండ్ బట్టి 2020లో దాదాపు అన్ని ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్లలో ఏఐసిటి కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్కు విపరీతమైన పరిధులు ఇచ్చేసింది. సో ఆ పరిధులలో ఏమైందంటే కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ కొత్త విభాగాలను ఏర్పాటు చేసింది. న్యూ బ్రాంచెస్ ఆర్ కమ్ అప్ విత్ దిస్ సిఎస్సి బ్రాంచ్. సో కొత్త డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ ఏమైనా అంటే మార్కెట్లో ఉన్న డిమాండ్ని బట్టి కొత్త బ్రాంచెస్ అనేవి స్టార్ట్ అయినాయి. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ 21st century, so demand which is like need of hour of the CSE students, so because they are need for any company, any organization to develop their portfolio of the company by these CSE students. So in that case, so computer science is individually have many different branches like AIML, cyber security and data science, IoT and blockchain technology and many more things, but many demand based on these three branches are there, that is AIML, artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science and cyber security, which are computer science allied branches and subsections which are separate wings which are market is needed. And so for example cyber security is security concern to every organization. Sir, AIML is nothing but to script language which is any company need to maintain a new updated script language to secure themselves. Data science, for example, to store the data any client is given to make in the cloud, how much is secure the data. So data is also be secured. So by these three cases, there is a lot of demand for computer science engineering in different fields, even though computer science is spreading like anything. So manaku for example facilities enni unte problems anni tayarautai. సో డెఫినెట్లీ ఈజీ గోయింగ్ కాబట్టి ఈజీ మెథడ్స్లో అలవాటు పడ్డాం కాబట్టి ప్రతిదీ మనకి ఈజీ వే అయింది కాబట్టి దానికి తగ్గట్టు డెఫినెట్గా ఆ సెక్యూరిటీ కన్సర్న్స్ కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్గా మనం చూడాల్సి వస్తుంది. దానికోసమే ఈ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ స్పెషలైజ్డ్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఫ్యూచర్లో డిమాండ్ ఏర్పడ్డాయి. సో ఇన్ దిస్ 21st century ద మోస్ట్ బూమింగ్ ఫీల్డ్స్ లైక్ ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ ఇంటెలిజెన్స్, మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్, బిగ్ డేటా, ద ఇంటర్నెట్ ఆఫ్ థింగ్స్, క్వాంటమ్ కంప్యూటింగ్ అండ్ బ్లాక్ చైన్ టెక్నాలజీ అండ్ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఆర్ ద మోస్ట్ నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద అవర్. సో ఇండస్ట్రీ 4.0 రెవల్యూషన్ ప్రకారం ఏమైందంటే మనకు ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ఫీల్డ్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఎంప్లాయిడ్ బై ది కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్ ఇంజనీర్స్. సో లైక్ దట్స్ వై మనం చూస్తే అబ్జర్వేషన్ చేస్తే లాంగ్ బ్యాక్ ఫస్ట్ రెవల్యూషన్ ప్రకారము ఊళ్ళల్లో అంతా అగ్రికల్చర్ చేసిన సెక్టర్ ఉండేది ఫస్ట్ రెవల్యూషన్ ప్రకారం. సో అగ్రికల్చర్ నుంచి ఏమైంది మైగ్రేట్ అందరూ అర్బన్ మైగ్రేట్ అవుతున్నారు. అర్బన్ మైగ్రేట్ అయ్యి స్కిల్డ్ లేబర్ ఇస్ not unable to get in rural areas also. So at the same time in cities also, so like companies they need to look at the specialized professionals to market their revenue to centralize in the market areas. So that's why undergraduate level definitely the AICT and the University Grants Commission analyzed the market revenue and introduced the separate branches which are mostly AIML, data science and cyber security branches. Computer science engineering, first we'll see the artificial intelligence and machine learning. AIML engineers are highly paid professionals in the world and there is a tremendous demand for AIML engineers, experts in the most of the fields like IT companies to develop their new script language to enhance their protocols, to secure themselves, to analyze the market and get the revenues. For example, take a Reliance company. Reliance company day by day is increasing their cases. So in that case, for example, they came into retail market. So retail market, so each product analysis they need to be maintaining a separate log accounts. So in that case, that AIML script language engineers, they can make a protocols and write a script language to safe zone in the cloud, so their market risks. So this AIML engineers save their market analysis risk and save their risk analysis risk, and at the same time they'll write a script language to secured manner to face the problems which are coming in the Reliance or any other companies which are going to be faced real time. So this AIML students, machine learning students shall be ready, how they are going to be ready for market. So they need to be practice programmings, algorithms, techniques, applications of the various industry need. For example, if you, that's why I told in case of Reliance. So need to be, this is specific based, subject based course. So like CS is general subject, but whereas going to AIML is specialized subject. That's why special case, application based, అప్లికేషన్ ఓరియంట్. ఒక కంపెనీకి మనకు ఒక రిక్వైర్మెంట్ కావాలి, రిక్వైర్మెంట్ రాయాలంటే నీడ్ వాళ్ళకి ఏ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారమో ఏఎంలో స్క్రిప్ట్ రాయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. సో దట్స్ వై దే నీడ్ టు బి అల్గారిథమ్స్ అండ్ ఏఎంఎల్ అల్గారిథమ్స్ అండ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ స్పెషలైజ్డ్ టు ఎన్హాన్స్ their data to their component development and apps platform development and to get the original clarity from the organizations. So in the case what happened, original means, for example, fake identity is going to be given by many institutions or many organizations. To remove that fake IDs, fake identities, these AIML experts need to be write a specialized identity programs which give experts to design intelligent system for the various business problems. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, these are the different job sectors, market sector is available. Like smart cities. Smart cities nothing but for example for example street lights are nowadays there is no main switch or any person, no person is there to switch on and switch off, right? So at the same time the AIML programmer will write a script language. So based on the sunlight, frequency, automatically the lights will on, lights will off. So that is, for example, smart cities is a good example. So healthcare industries, as I told, so in the remote place doctors are not available. At the same time the patient will need to be need of our treatment. So that AIML experts will write a 𝗂𝗽𝗱 establishment, and at the same time they will give health on wheels medical treatment by using the healthcare sections. Like gaming, there are a lot of demanding gaming, and AI in the commerce, e-commerce, right? Like as I told, almost all the US clients, US marketing depending on the Indian engineers. So almost all the US companies, US clients which are going to be operating their business is e-commerce business, like Amazon or Flipkart or any other sites are there, online sites are there. Almost all the online sites are, their business is depending on the e-commerce by using these AIML experts only. Need to be write a program to develop their e-commerce business, so in secure manner. And traffic and prediction. So we need, for example, I am here, for example, need to go away somewhere else 10 kilometers. I can predict the like Uber and Ola. So these all apps are there. These all apps are developed by these AIML engineers only. సో ఓలా ఊబర్ నథింగ్ బట్ మనం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, డైలీ లైఫ్లో యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈ ఓలా ఊబర్స్ అనేది ఏంటి అంటే ఎక్కడ ట్రాఫిక్ ఉంది, ఏ ఏరియాలో ట్రాఫిక్ ఉంది, ఆటోమేటిక్గా ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేసి చెప్తాయి. అంటే ముందే మనకు ప్రిడిక్షన్ ఉంది. సో అవన్నీ యాప్స్ అనేటివి కూడా ఈ ఏఎంఎల్ ఎక్స్పర్ట్సే యాప్స్ కూడా డెవలప్ చేస్తారు. వై ఆమ్ సేయింగ్ దట్, సో రియల్ టైమ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ రియల్ టైమ్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్ బై దిస్ ఏఎంఎల్ అప్లికేషన్స్ ఓన్లీ. సో రోబోటిక్స్ అండ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్ హోటల్స్లలో now robots are supplying, robots are coming and giving plates and are taking orders. So that robots also writing a program by AMLs. So AI in social media and marketing. So like virtual presentation and mechanism of vision. So like natural language and processing, NLP also. Like language processing. So communication, signal communication also you are using this artificial intelligence and machine learning. Almost all these programs, live communication, live programs, transmission of information from one source to other source. So these are all possible by artificial intelligence and machine learning in real-time applications. The AI/ML course studied students, how they are going to make their career path. As I told, good example now, Uber, Ola or health industry, like many applications are traffic signals or any other related real-time applications like healthcare and visualization of the data and e-commerce sections. So these are all available. So in this case, as you are expert in the machine learning or machine learning programming or C language or Python language which is available for the machine learning engineers. So if you are perfect in that Python programming or script language by using these different C++ analysis, so you will become as a machine learning engineer or artificial intelligence engineer. So you are be designated as after your graduation, career path will be like this. So machine learning architect, artificial intelligence scientist in the research and development of industries like IBM, Adobe and Microsoft. So this is not a simple job. Like మనం ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తీసుకుంటే ఒక ఎంబీబీఎస్ చదువుతాం. ఎంబీబీఎస్ అనేది జనరల్ డాక్టర్ ఆర్ ఎంఎస్ స్పెషలైజేషన్ చేస్తే సూపర్ స్పెషాలిటీ అంటాం. సో నథింగ్ బట్ స్పెషలైజ్డ్ డాక్టర్, ఈఎన్టీ స్పెషలిస్ట్. ఎలానో లైక్ ఏఎంఎల్ ఇంజనీర్స్ కూడా స్పెషలైజ్డ్ ఇంజనీర్స్. సో దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి స్పెషలైజ్డ్ ఇన్ market programming. They are writing on-site programs specialized in the real time. So if you need to be launch a rocket on board at the same on board site. So when running the rocket on the space, so if you are facing a real time problems, the machine learning engineers on the board, they can make correction to track that signal into right way. So that is the real time case. So such kind of crucial jobs are there for the machine learning engineers. So there is a lot of scope for the real time machine learning and AML engineers. So highest packages like CSC, as I told, 30 lakhs is there. For example, this specialized engineers AML is 44.14 lakhs per annum. Recently IIT Roorkee was given one student on the Cisco networks. So Cisco is nothing but a racket program, that is packet tracer. Packet tracer to sending the data on the different platforms. So Cisco is nothing but a router protocols and setting the protocol sections in secured manner. So by using the Cisco network, we can establish company or any society networks in secure manner. So Cisco is the one of the biggest company. They are offering a lot of engineers from the root level to highest level. So if you are perfect in these languages. So another branch is computer science, engineering, data science. సో డేటా సైన్స్ మనం ఇంతకుముందు చెప్పినట్టు డేటా అనేది, సో వీఆర్ స్టోరింగ్ డేటా ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ మేనర్స్, డిఫరెంట్ ఏరియాస్, డిఫరెంట్ లొకేషన్స్. వీఆర్ స్టోరింగ్ ద డేటా ఇన్ ద క్లౌడ్స్. వీఆర్ స్టోరింగ్ ద డేటా ఇన్ ద క్లౌడ్స్. సో నథింగ్ బట్ data is coming, as I told, for example, Tata Consultancy Services, TCS is there. They are conducting almost all the exams, online exams in online. So they need to be maintaining a data server in for number of students, number of agencies, number of locations. So storing data, lakhs of people, storing data information about lakhs of people, crores of people is, for example, Aadhaar is there. Recently we came Aadhaar online. So Aadhaar updation is there, KYC updation is there. So all this coming is nothing but data storage. So storing of data, lakhs of people, not repeating is a difficult task. So in this case, B.Tech CSC was introduced as a data science specialized engineers. So course with specialization as data science as an industry interdisciplinary problem solving oriented subject that learn to apply scientific techniques to practice problems. This specialization covers data analysis, data interface, algorithm development, app development and technology analytical, solve problems in real times. So storing data in clouds is not secure. To secure the data by storing, we can analyze the data analytics. Data analytics engineers are whether data is corrupted, data is hacked, data is interpreted. These are the problems we are facing. So in that case, data analytics engineers will go specialize. They'll retrieve the data or retrieve the data, or where if the data is lost, they can recollect the data by using different algorithms. So data science engineers are specialized in that. As per international report of 2021, data science is still top 3 from job perspective for the demanding of technologies worldwide. So like data science engineers, so మనం చేసే ప్రతి పని డేటా స్టోర్ చేసుకోవాల్సి ఉంది. ఆ డేటాని మనం సేఫ్ జోన్లో ఉండాలంటే ఇప్పటి కాదు, ఎప్పటికైనా ఇంకా డే టు డే అప్డేషన్ బై 2021 ఈజ్ ఇనిషియేషన్ డేట్. 2030 also, 2040 also. So we need to have a huge demand for this data science engineers. So there is a huge demand for the data scientist in the Indian market, and it is still one of the top 5 technologies from the job perspective IT industry. As per the NASSCOM report, there will be a need of about 2 lakh data scientists in India over the next few years. See, that's why, as I told, so చిన్న ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నుంచి పెద్ద ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి డేటా అంటే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ స్టోరేజ్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ స్టోర్ చేసుకోవడం అనేది వీ కెనాట్ స్టోర్ ఇన్ హార్డ్ డిస్క్ ఆర్ ఎనీ అదర్ డివైజెస్. వీ నీడ్ టు బి స్టోర్ సమ్వేర్ ఎల్స్. సో దట్ సమ్వేర్ ఎల్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ risk place. To save that risk places, data analytics engineers will be involved in that. So these are the tools which are used by the data analytics and data science engineers. Google Analytics. So for example, Google is there. Everyone is using day by day Google very faster and need of your fingertips. So without Google we cannot survive. Even though food may not be there, but without Google we cannot survive. So in that case, Google Analytics. So nee prati activity is posting on the Google or Facebook or your social media. So that is digital risk market. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒక గుడ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను మీకు. మీరు కొన్న ప్రతి వస్తువుని ఆర్ కొన్న ప్రతి యాక్టివిటీస్ని మీరు సోషల్ మీడియాలో పోస్ట్ చేసుకుంటూ పోతే పీపుల్ కెన్ వాచ్ యూ వాట్ యు ఆర్ పోస్టింగ్ ఆన్ ద సోషల్ మీడియా. సో ఇమ్మీడియట్లీ హ్యాకర్స్ ఆర్ ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ ఆర్ సంబడి థ్రెట్స్ అండ్ రిస్క్ అండ్ సెక్యూరిటీ, cyber threats are involved in that. So what happened, that security concerns are very much important. So need to be safeguards in that. We need to have data analytics to save cloud-based services. So we are storing the data in the cloud, and cloud will be in safer manner and it will be secured. And Tableau and Power BI data visualization tools, business intelligence. Day and every minute, every second we need to be secure the data in safe zone. And at the same time ఆ డేటాని అనలైజ్ చేస్తూ ఆ డేటాని ఎంతవరకు సేఫ్ జోన్లో ఉందని మనం ఎప్పటికప్పుడు ఇమీడియట్గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలి. సో దట్ ఈస్ డేటా ఇంజనీర్స్ విల్ do on that job. Python R programming is used to perform compiled analysis few lines of the code. So Python R is the recent updated development program. So Python R is going to be secure the data in safer zone, and we can write the program or each individual components in individual script language. So that Python R is nothing but we can write the program by using some dot commands, and immediately we can secure the data in the safe manner. So data science industry impact. So these are the industry impact. So for example, logistics are there, and e-commerce is there, and aviation is there, and power sector is there, and healthcare is there. So data science is impact in all areas. So retail market is there, and real estate is there. Real estate also they are storing data. So for example, land analysis also, and sea analysis, navigation technologies. So these are all depends on the data storage, data analytics only. So different satellite communications and navigation of the motor vehicles. So for example, you are navigating car, where is the location of your car? So that is nothing but data storage. For example, if you are storing the data already available in the data, so entire map is available in the data, you can track your vehicles from where to where it is moving. So data, if that data is not available, we cannot track the any vehicle or whatever the instrument is there. So if data is already available, based on the data, from location to location we can trace the information from one source to other source, where the item is located, where the vehicle is located, or somewhere else. So this is the data is earth data, maybe sea data, maybe, or entire geographical data, or for example route map data. So this is geographical data. Everything will be stored on this data maps only. So data mapping, data analysis is the big industry. So big consultancy organization. So data analytics engineers are huge demand to secure the different organization data in their safer zone. So market growth potential and opportunity, an estimated 11.5 million new jobs by 2026. So there is because without data engineers we cannot store. That's why there is a huge demand for these engineers, and data science engineers will be raised 28% by 2020 alone. Source as IBM. So manaku 28% required 2020 lone undi. But if you see in the future, 11.5 million jobs are required for the data science engineers. So IBM is nothing but intellectual businessman. So that is almost all IBM centers are storing the data of individual companies. So IBM is the one of the biggest organization storing data. So people who are required data, who want to be make as a data science engineers, so IBM is the best source. You can go to that website. They'll require data analytic engineers every time, update their skills, and need to be get a job in IBM, also good places. A degree of computer science, data science can lead to be following job roles, variety of industries like, as I told, Reliance, retail industries, finance, e-commerce, healthcare, IT scientist, IT services, and they need to be have a data scientist engineers, data analytics engineers, business analytics engineers, data engineers. So for example, business analyst engineers. So e-commerce is nothing but business analyst engineers. Data analyst, geographical data or physical data is data analyst. Data scientists, they can analyze entire data, whether it is real time or virtually it is recorded data or real time data, or it is correct or not. They are mapping the data in data scientist. Data engineers, they can, entire data will be collected from the various agencies and they can store the data in cloud. So by using the data cloud, they can navigate and trace the information. So as a computer science, data scientist engineer skills are required. So need to be develop algorithms and search engines and graph algorithm. As I told, mapping is there in the geographical mapping is there. Graph algorithms are very much essential for this data scientist engineer. So graphically they need to be write a programming for graph analysis and data structure like arrays, linked list, trees. Crucial computer science professionals expect their everyday. Nothing but, for example, C++ language is nothing but a linked list and trees will be easily you can learn from the C++ language. So C++ language and data science, data DBMS, database management science, and 𝗬𝗏s language, these are script languages. So Java, Python, these are the most useful languages, script language to develop data in safer manner and develop data in the secured manner. So Java is one of the program, and C++ and JavaScript. 𝗧 is one of the most useful program for the data scientist, typically used for the development of apps and source programs, source of the data scientist programs, and which will be object oriented C program language. So which are more useful for the development of software buggings. So software debugging and bugging is also used by this data scientist. So another branch, specialized branch in computer science engineering is cyber security. So as I told, security is most concerned to the individual companies and personals and organizations and every person. So like if your email is hacked, or your mobile is hacked, or your Facebook is hacked, or somebody is asking money without you knowing, and nothing but it is hacking. So people immediately, the hackers are most intelligent than ethical hackers. If you are developing a program or a secured manner program, the hackers will immediately write against your program. So due to that, the hackers are everywhere, so need to be secure the data. So the cyber security engineers are very much useful. So like recently one example I'll tell you. So people are storing are collecting the data from different agencies and storing in the cloud. So your storing in the cloud is okay, data is stored very good, but people, the hackers will immediately look at your data and they steal your data. So they'll chori your data from the clouds and immediately sell your data to against people. So మనకు రీసెంట్గా ఒక సిచ్యువేషన్ చూస్తే ఇంటెలిజెన్స్ అంటే సెక్యూర్ మన దేశానికి సంబంధించిన సెక్యూరిటీ వ్యవస్థని ఒక సైంటిస్ట్ అనే డేటాని వేరే వాళ్ళకు లీక్ చేసిన సందర్భాన్ని చూసినాం. సో అటువంటి సందర్భంలో సెక్యూరిటీ ఈజ్ మేజర్ కన్సర్న్. మన సెక్యూరిటీకి సంబంధించిన ఇష్యూల్ని బయటకు షేర్ చేస్తే, సో హూ విల్ బీ మేనేజ్ అవర్ కన్సర్న్ ఇన్ సెక్యూరిటీ మేనర్. సో ఇన్ దట్ కేస్ సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఇంజనీర్స్ ఆర్ most respectable job and most needed job for individuals and personals. So like cyber security is the protection of sensitive data and personal information that may be stored on a computer system and cloud network from cyber hacking and other such cyber attacks. So cyber security such as malware analysis, digital forensics, AI is cyber security, cyber crime and incident response, system security, blockchain, cyber threats, intelligence, so which are most subject related topics. So in that case, so cyber crime is there. For example, crime is happened. Many crimes are happening without evidence. So that crime evidence is possible by this cyber crime analyst. So by taking the fingerprints, by taking the image analysis, by taking the identity of the graphs, by taking the identity of their images and storing the image functions, by analyzing the image functions, we can identify the hackers or theft done by some people. So in that case, ఎక్కడైతే ఏదైతే జరిగిందో ఆ జరిగిన దాన్ని మన ఈ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్స్లో ఉన్న సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ ఇంజనీర్స్ అనేది కంప్లీట్గా వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే వాళ్ళు డిఫరెంట్ టూల్స్ ఉపయోగించి ఆ టూల్స్ సైబర్ సెక్యూరిటీ టూల్స్ ఉపయోగించి, సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ వీ కెన్ ట్రేస్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ unsecured manner which is happened. So, major subjects in the cyber security is database management system, agile software engineering, data structures and applied computer organizations, machine learning design, analysis of algorithms, web technologies, computer network, cyber security and security management, digital forensics, special topics on operating systems, cryptographic network security, source programming, ethical hacking, cyber security with AI, object oriented programming, application, cloud application and development. So, as I told, so cyber security is cryptography is nothing but it is based on the security of your concerned own threats happened in your organization or any personal issues. So, that case these cyber security engineers will Red Hat Linux programming or by using that C# programming or Python programming, they can identify the threats which are happen. So, by using that Linux or RTOS programs, easily they can identify these cyber crime which are happened everywhere. So, that is why in data management or personal, the cyber security engineers are very much essential for individuals and as well as organizations. So, that is why the cyber security branch is completely specialized case. So, at the same time these cyber security engineers are so need for any case or every organizations. So, that is why special engineers, these cyber security engineers will be recruited by these companies. So, they will get special allowances, special packages, so compared with regular software engineers. So, software engineers is nothing but they are program developers, whereas this cyber security engineer is nothing but cyber security engineer, they can trace the problem where is happened, they can recorrect the problem and at the same time reproduce that problem in safe manner. That is the cyber security engineers. So, market growth and potential opportunity as per the Bureau of Labor Statistics. So, 2022 37% jobs are available in the cyber security, as NASSCOM needed 1 million jobs in the future. So, 2020 as per 2020 reports 1 million jobs every time it is available on the cyber security. So, there is a huge demand cyber security, there is no job lack in the cyber security. The experts who are cyber security are there, they can maintain their own client. So, if you are a cyber security expert, you establish own cyber security agency, you can serve for many organizations as a cyber security engineer. So, the cyber security career path is, if you observe, so if you are a cyber security engineer, network security engineer, cyber security analyst, chief information security officer, cryptographer, security software developer and ethical hacker, cloud security engineers. So, that is why huge demand is there. If cloud you are storing a data, so safe, that is not in safe. So, in that case cloud security engineers is going to be make a risk analysis to safeguard of the data. Scope of employment, software engineer, system analyst, network administrator and information system manager, cyber security analyst, penetration tester and threat analyst, security software specialist, cyber threat operator responder and many companies like leading software companies like Deloitte and 𝗳𝗧, TCS, Product, Wipro, CTS, Infosys, 𝗳𝗏 and Accenture. So, they need to be lakhs of people data. So, these companies are recruiting these cyber security engineers in specialized packages. So, these are the major companies. So, we can observe, so top companies and off campus also people, for example, as if you are learning cyber security as a B.Tech engineering student, but people those who are not having these, if you are interested in cyber security, so there are separate organizations are the cyber security or cyber security. Cisco is offering cyber security and Red Hat is offering cyber security and other agencies, many agencies are offering cyber security. So, if you learn cyber security individual certification course, so there is a huge demand in India and abroad. So, companies, if you go to the company sites and you can verify their sites and the demand of the cyber security, easily they can get a job by getting the like Google, Facebook, Amazon, their every time they need to be have a cyber security engineers for their data maintenance safer zone. So, as I told, hacking is one of the biggest problem. So, in the cyber case, so people can hack and easily they can steal your data and retrieving is problem. So, as an ethical hacker is also huge demand. If you are an ethical hacker, so if you have skills on this reprogramming and knowledge on hacking, hardware knowledge and reverse engineering knowledge, So easily as a ethical hacker, huge demand to save the each organization data to in the market. So definitely you will become an ethical hacker, so you can face the challenges from the hackers. So security is major concern. So as I told, every IT industries definitely they need to be check about their security. So for this attacks also, the cyber security engineers are going to be takes more important place to unauthorized information discloses and theft their data and damage hardware and software, and data will be from the various agencies. So in that case, the security is major concern for IT industry. So IT industry need specialized engineers for this cyber security analyst. So that's why these specialized branches in computer science engineering, data science, AML and cyber security, which are most specialized branches and which are useful for the demand in the market at the need of our, the specialized engineers are going to be get good packages. So as you observe CSC engineers, they are going to be basic, mid-level and basic level and experience level. But in the case of these specialized software engineers, they need to be get a good packages compared with the CSC engineers to get promote themselves. Once their skills are updated, automatically they will need to be upgrade themselves and easily they can survive in the market. So that's why the CSC allied branches, computer science engineering lo unna data science, AML and cyber security branches are very much essential for the need of our society. So computer science engineering lo manaku for example chuste minimum package untadi, but whereas coming to these specialized branches, specialized courses, script language and security concern packages are very much demand in the market. That's why these engineers are going to be good package in the future. Definitely they will settle in the specialized areas. So that's why these specialized branches are very much demand in the market. So students advised to be learn this script language very from the sincere beginning. So you will place in the good manner and good place in the market. So wish you good luck, all the best. Thank you.